For 3 generations, the Future Automotive Group has been Northern California's premier automotive dealer group. And here's another example of a certified pre-owned Ford vehicle from our giant selection of pre-owned cars and trucks, and comes equipped with power windows, tilt wheel, CD player, traction control, climate control, side airbags, keyless entry, rear defroster, air conditioning, anti-lock braking, tire pressure monitoring system, satellite radio, power door locks, cruise control, theft deterrent system, dual front airbags, fog lights, steering wheel controls, and has less than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Every certified pre-owned Ford vehicle is given a rigorous 172-point inspection by Ford factory-trained technicians. And every certified pre-owned vehicle is backed by Ford with 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty coverage from the original purchase date, plus 12-month, 12,000-mile limited warranty coverage with roadside assistance. The Future Automotive Group has more certified pre-owned Ford vehicles than anyone in Northern California. So come take your test drive today. We're looking forward to meeting you, and so is your next vehicle.